a bumblebee.
Look at that spider.
A bumblebee.
So over the years, we have reviewed a couple of different microscopes for little kids, from small 250x all the way to 2500x. And this is the portable unit that we got about a year ago. And then today we're going to be reviewing this one. This is an upgraded version of this particular one. This one does record video and takes pictures. And this one is 500x. When I hold it for 3 seconds, you see that? Now it's recording. So now anything that I do is going to be recorded. This one takes videos at 1080p. It is actually quite impressive. Whereas some of the other ones, you have to put the phone in here and record what's happening in the lens. This one does natively. In my opinion, this is probably the coolest starter microscope on the go for your kids. So let's take a look at the footage and anything else that goes along with it. Out of all the kids microscopes that I've reviewed in the last 2.5 years, this is probably the best portable one that I have so far. It's got a 3-inch screen, autofocus. It also features long-lasting battery, and it keeps insects or plants or your subject within the bevel so you don't lose it. On the very top, this is where you put your SD card. There is a built-in storage as well. It does not record video, it only does stills. It's a rechargeable battery, which also I dig because I just hate carrying batteries. There's also a secondary magnifying glass. Alright guys, so let me just show you what this microscope can do really quickly. So it can take pictures and it can record videos as well. There's also 2 zoom in buttons right on the handle. So when I'm on here, I can zoom in closer and closer, see? And it tries to autofocus. When you go in the closest zoom though, it's a little far. There you go. If I move it away from the subject, you have maybe just a little bit of leeway before it starts to get blurry and it won't focus, see? So you definitely need to be almost right on the last level of zoom to get it focused. This is just a regular stick. Now I'm going to show you what this looks like amplified up to 500 times. So there we go. And now we're going to press record. To do that, all I do is I hold this and it's going to go from taking a picture, which I'm going to press right now. You're going to see a little check mark. You see that little photo right there? Now that's going to turn into a video and I hold it for 3 seconds. You see that? Recording. So now anything that I do is going to be recorded. Oh, here's the dime. 2018. These are strands of hair. Let's see what it looks like. On a mat. It'd be interesting if somebody had lice. Let's see how broken that is. So very thin objects is okay. Let's get some plants. This adjusting. And one more thing, here's a case. Now you would never think that this is what the case looks like. Very, very cool. Alright, so you guys don't see it, but there is a big spider hanging off of here. So we're gonna go to this and take a picture. Let's see here. Again.
It's a bumblebee.
Look at that spider.
A bumblebee. It's a
Alright, so here's a spider. Let's look, Zany. Look. Oh, there he is. Where is he? Where's the spider?
I know.
He's in there somewhere. What?
Oh, here.
Where is he?
Oh, here.
Oh, where is he?
Oh, here.
Oh, is he there? Oh, where is he?
Oh.
He's in there somewhere. Whoa, he's running around in between. Watch out! So obviously you need to be pretty still.
It's right
or something has to be dead in order for this to work quite well. Of course, if your kid is definitely into microscopes or the stars, you will inevitably get like a telescope or a proper microscope. But on the go, to get the kid interested, this is definitely something I would recommend. And they're only getting better with every year. So inexpensive, super fun, and it's an educational thing. On your SD card, you're gonna have a folder for rec and images. Rec is for your video files, and they are recorded at 1920 by 1080 as AVI files, 25 frames per second, and the bitrate is pretty good. In terms of the images, they are also 1920 by 1080 and 72 dpi. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.